Hello everybody, today we have with us Pawel Czystaw, Middle East Sales Manager of Boato Pack. Boato Pack, a company based near Gorizia, is a leader in the field of automatic flexible packaging since 1957. Their machines are designed to operate both as standalone units and in line with secondary packaging systems, providing comprehensive turnkey solutions. Boato Pack high speed for side-seal sachet and stick pack vertical packaging lines are known for their flexibility, accommodating various automatic feeding and filling systems to package a wide range of products. Pavel, very glad to meet you. How are you preparing for Gulfood Manufacturing 2024?
Hi Sonia, welcome back. Gulfood Manufacturing has now become a staple event for Boato Pack, providing us with a valuable opportunity to connect with both our current and potential new clients in the region of Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Since the last edition, we have significantly increased our presence in these markets, thanks to new installations that have arisen partly as a result of previous trade fairs and partly due to reaffirmations from our esteemed clients. This growth highlights our commitment to expanding our footprint in these dynamic regions. We are excited to showcase our innovative packaging solutions and to engage in meaningful discussions with attendees about how we can help them meet their unique needs. Our aim is not only to strengthen existing relationships, but also to establish new ones that will drive mutual success. As we continue to innovate and adapt to market demands, we look forward to sharing our latest advancements and insights at Gulfood Manufacturing. This event is not just a showcase for our products, it's a platform for collaboration and partnership in the ever-evolving landscape of packaging.
Thank you. What are the main features, Pavel, of your machines?
Output capacity and flexibility are our guiding principles, and we believe that one should not come at the expense of the other. We have a natural predisposition for working with challenging, economicals, and lightweight packaging materials, which allows us to meet a diverse range of packaging needs. Our machines are designed with ease of use in mind, ensuring that operators can quickly adapt to different tasks without extensive training. Additionally, we prioritize the use of commercially available components, ensuring transparency regarding the technical specifications provided by the original manufacturers. By ensuring quick access to spare parts and reliable performance, our systems reduce the risk of costly interruptions and allow businesses to operate at peak efficiency. When operations run smoothly without unexpected delays, companies can optimize their production schedules, meet delivery deadlines, and improve overall profitability. Therefore, Boato Pack customers benefit from lower maintenance costs and increased availability of parts, which translates to further savings. In a competitive market, these financial advantages can make a substantial difference, enabling our clients to invest in their businesses and drive growth.
Well, what about the key topics of nowadays, sustainability?
With recyclable materials gaining prominence, we have the opportunity to showcase the superior performance of our sealing and cutting systems. Our advanced technology is specifically designed to handle the unique properties of recyclable materials, ensuring that they are processed efficiently without compromising quality. We have invested significantly in research and development to optimize our systems for these materials, allowing for precise and reliable results. In many cases, however, our existing customers are able to run new sustainable materials on their 20-plus years old Boato Pack machines with minor upgrades when necessary. By ensuring that the recyclable materials are processed effectively, we help our clients meet their environmental goals while maintaining high standards of performance. We are excited to demonstrate how our systems can elevate the capability of businesses looking to embrace recyclable materials, and we look forward to discussing these innovations further.
Thank you so much, Pavel, and thank you so much to Boato Pack. See you at Gulfood Manufacturing.
Thank you, Sonia and Editrice Zeus, for this opportunity. We look forward to meeting you and the interested customers at the upcoming Gulfood Manufacturing Sheik Saeed Hall 2 at the stand F47. See you there.